Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your pattern lock not being recognized on REALME P3. Let's begin! As you can see, I do have my pattern here, but it appears that I have forgotten it. What can I do? Well, there's really one thing you can do, and that is to perform a factory reset. You could potentially try to rebooting your device, maybe it will fix something, but actually this part of the phone usually works fine, so there's only one thing you can do. Note that everything will be gone from your phone. Your password too, of course, but with the password will come your applications gone, your videos gone, your images gone, your data, contacts, messages, everything will be gone. But I guess you will have your access to your phone back, hopefully. So, without further ado, and with that warning aside, let's begin. First, let's turn off the phone. We can do that by pressing the power button and volume up button at the same time, and then going into power off. After the logo disappears, we can now pick up the phone, and we can start to press my power button and volume down button at the same time. And when REALME logo appears, we want to release the power button while still pressing volume down button. This is very important. And if we did everything right, a recovery mode menu should appear. Now in here we can simply click English. You can also use the power buttons to navigate. And now we can simply go with format data. You first need to input the verification code that you can see right here. This is the measure for accidentally clicking formatting data in your pocket. I have no idea who would do that, but sure. So let's input 63600, and now let's simply hit format. And data is formatted. Whenever we click OK, our phone will automatically restart and start to restart a few times, and after a few minutes we should see setup screen, which is very cool. Few minutes have passed, and as you can see we are now inside setup screen. Now if you want to know how to go through the process of setup screen and how to actually bypass the factory reset protection, you can always watch our videos on our channel. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.